Hi, I'm Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. Today I'm going to be making vegan mac and cheese out of potatoes, carrots, and cashews being like the main sauce part of this recipe. I have seen a lot of different variations of the recipe, so I just want to show you my version just so you can see how versatile this recipe is and how easy it is to make it. So let's jump right in. Here's what you'll need: macaroni noodles, a baking potato, a carrot, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, cashews, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. So before anything else, you are going to want to soak your cashews. You can either soak them overnight or pour boiling water over them and set them aside for 15 minutes. Now peel and chop your carrots and potato into large chunks. Once you've cut your carrots and potatoes, put them into a pot of cold water and turn on your stove to high heat. Once your water comes to a boil, set your timer for 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes, your potatoes and carrot should be tender. You can test by poking them with a fork, and then remove them from your water with a slotted spoon, and also reserve about 1 cup worth of water. To a blender, add your nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, salt and pepper, your cashews, make sure that they're drained, lemon juice, and your vegetables. I only used about half of the potato. And then add your reserved water and blend it until it is very smooth. It might take a minute or two. By the way, I forgot to mention that you'll need to cook your pasta, so just cook it to the directions on the box until your pasta is al dente. Anyway, after your cheese is done blending, it'll look something like this. Once your pasta is done cooking and completely strained, add it to a dish, and then, this is optional, but I added broccoli to my mac and cheese. You don't have to add broccoli, but if you'd like to, you can. You can also add like peas or any other kind of vegetables you like. And then just pour your cheese sauce on top. Then mix your pasta, cheese, and broccoli together until it is well combined. I really love this recipe. When I first went plant-based, it was incredibly difficult to give up cheese. But this really helped me through it just because it's not cheese. This is something completely on its own, but it has that cheesy flavor that you need to kind of like get over the hump of missing dairy products. So I really hope you like this recipe. If you do, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more recipes by me, just subscribe to my channel and I will be putting them out every Saturday. Thanks. Bye.